Advance Auto Parts, AAP, made a new 52-week low today, August 25, and we detected unusual options activity, 3,750 options. And what was most unusual was that this insider already made 100% today from their trade yesterday, because these 66 strike puts that they sold today for $365 yesterday, August 24, when they put them on here, you can see they were only worth about $160. And so now today, because Advanced Auto Parts dropped 5 to 6% today to the 52-week low, they were able to take profits and sell it back for $360. Okay, so that it's doubling their investment of $160 in just 24 hours. So this insider, what they did was, if you take a look at the September 15th, they closed in these 66 strike puts, sold it to take profits, and then bought the 60 strike puts, basically rolling the strike down to the 60 strikes. And you can see that all being done with this public data if you understand how to analyze the data. And that's what we do. We also trade using more advanced strategies. So for example, they bought this 60 strike put. You can analyze this trade and see that these put options, actually they paid $100 for them here. So it's actually not 85, so it's $100 each. You can see that this is a short bearish position. Price of AAP at $64 as it goes down. You can see that this profit loss graph goes up. This is the profit loss on the y-axis. Anything above is profit, anything below is a loss. Let's see the Greeks, negative 22 delta. However, these put options have a theta risk, negative 4 theta risk. And so our strategy is different because we want to minimize that risk. What we did instead was we sold these 61 strike puts. For every trade, we sold 2 of them, and then bought the 60 strike puts, 1 of them, and bought the 64 strike puts, 1 of them. So for each of our trades, this is our strategy here. We did a broken wing butterfly with this kind of a ratio in these strikes. And you can see that the cost of our trade is only $85, right? It's actually cheaper than what they got it for by just buying those put options. And notice our Greeks do not have a negative 4 theta. It's actually closer to 0, negative 0.15. So there is no more theta risk for this strategy. While we can still get a negative 14 delta. If we want more negative deltas, we can buy 2, 3, 4 of these trades, right? So for every of these trades, if we increase it, we get more of that negative delta that we want. Okay, so there's always got to be a more strategic options trades, not just simply buying put options or call options because of the risk involved if you want to follow the unusual options. And so that's also what we do, and that's what we share to our members who joined our membership. If you're interested in our trades and our stock picks with unusual options activity that range at least $1 million. And join our membership, because a trade like this, for example, today, where they put in $100, 3,000, this is only about $370,000, right? So it's not even $1 million. But again, as we've seen, there are insiders that still trade as well. And the big whales that have millions of dollars have even more information. And so if you want to follow those whales, large investors, we track and we analyze their unusual options. And we share that with our members. If you join our membership, you'll get immediate access to the videos and also updated videos as we see them, updated every day. Take care, everybody, and hit the join button if you want to learn more, and have a wonderful weekend.